Yeah, hello everybody. This is Jay Goldman, head analyst over at FMTrader. Today I'm making a short little video. As you can see, we'll focus on technical analysis. Okay, and specifically I'm going to show you a little technique that's called the Relative Strength Index, or RSI for short. Okay, this is a very good strategy to use on short-term trades that can be very, very profitable if used well, if used correctly. So let me load up a chart and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. Okay guys, I got my favorite currency pair set up here, dollar yen, USD JPY. This is on a site called NetDania, a site that you can all access and do exactly what I'm doing. I'm set up for a 15-minute candlestick chart, meaning each of these candles represents 15 minutes in the life of the dollar yen. And here's what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm going to go to Studies. Click on this, Studies. Now, as you can see, it opens a new window for me. There's a big list here. What I'm going to do is scroll down till I see RSI, Relative Strength Index, highlight it. Okay, now here the parameters are set for a default of 14. I'm going to change the period to 4. Okay, you don't need to know why. I just do it right this. I'm changing it to 4, and then I'm going to press Add. Okay. As you can see, a new little chart opens up here, which coincides with the graph of the dollar yen. Okay, now here's what I'm looking for. Okay, this chart measures this actual thing measures this relative strength of the dollar yen. Now you see the numbers here in the middle. There's from 20 till 80. Okay, and this red dotted line here is the 50%. That's the median. Okay, I'm looking for extreme strength or extreme weakness. Okay, that said, over 80 or under 20. Okay, for example, over here, for example, I can see this very high point here. I can see the reading of 91, even more, 92.67. This is an extremely great trade to make. So this is a trade I would obviously take down. Okay, now this is a 15-minute candlestick chart. So this would be a trade that would be good for half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour. Okay, so on this case, you'll be able to, if you see an occasion like this, you can really go big and strong on a trade for the opposite direction. Okay, over here, for example, I got another low here. This one is 14.10, another great trade to take up. Okay, now sometimes you'll see where it goes to about 20, 19, which is also good levels. But when it's on these levels, all right, you might want to do a smaller trade, okay? Because yeah, it's mostly going to go up. It's mostly going to correct itself and go up here. But because it hasn't reached the level like we saw before, we will be more conservative, okay? But when we see it hit under 10, okay, or over 90, okay, we can really make a very big and strong trade with a pretty much not a guarantee, but very close to it that we'll have a winning trade here. For example, right now, as you can see, we're at 7.18. Hey, let me go. I'm going to run and make a trade right now. Yeah, because this is so right now, as you see, there's a great trade to make right now. Okay, so 1 second here. Okay, as you can see, that was a little video for this week. You guys, if you have any questions, my name is Jay Goldman. I'm the head analyst. My email address is j.g@fmtrader.com. So if anybody wants to ask me a question, I want to get some feedback from your guys, and hopefully I'll be able to implement those in my next upcoming videos. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys soon.